Ladies, before starting program number 2, please watch explanation video on how to practice program number 2. It is, I will attach the link here in the description of this video. Before starting this program, please watch it at least one time. I will explain how to practice. You will have series of tutorials and you might not know which one is the first, which one is the second, and some of those tutorials will be related to each other. Some will be absolutely separate and not related to each other. So that's why it's very important that you watch the explanation on how to practice so you know what to do when you practice independently at home. Alright, great. So it's linked here in this video, in the description. You can just follow the link and watch it. It's very brief, short explanation. Okay, so what you're gonna hear now is tango music. Again, this is not a choreography, this is not a dance, this is practice, okay? What we're gonna do now, we're gonna practice showing accents with certain music. So in this case, it is going to be tango music. Before you did it with very classic Arab song. Now it's a different music, it's Western music, tango music. So let's see how we can show the same dance skill with different music or practice it with different music, okay? Now you will do the accents. You can skip, in some parts you can skip the shimmy part because the tempo is different, okay? So in some parts I will skip shimmy, in some parts I will do a little bit shimmy, okay? But what I want you to show, the most important is the accents, okay? If you just do this, boom, 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 and boom. Okay, here are the accents that we're going to practice with music. Now I will add shimmy where I can. You will feel the music with me, you will see. You will feel it also where you can add some shimmy also. Okay, let's get started. Okay, hear the accents, hear the accent. Boom. Okay, get ready. And number 3, okay? Again, music is not the problem. Whenever you have a question, I'll send you the link. I was playing this from YouTube, so it's not hard to find this music. practice accents to this music, record, see how you're doing, send it to me. Okay? Good, good, good. So this is going to be the third part of skills lesson for lesson number 1. Okay? Now, I want you to also think that you're in a studio. You're in a studio, you did a warm-up, you learned Wahda, you practiced Wahda, then we practiced Wahda to the Tarab music, then we practiced Wahda to Tango music. We practice certain parts of, not the actual rhythm to Tango, but we practice accents, right? We would do it normally within 2 weeks. That would not be one class, that would be 2 classes, right? Because we also have another part for the class, the choreography part, which we will be learning Tango, different Tango choreography, right? So this is how I want you to see also to plan your practice. Okay, so first is learning about Wahda, practicing the rhythm, learning the choreography. Second, learning a little bit briefly about Tarab, practicing to Tarab music. Third, working the accents with this Tango music. Here you go, this is your skills portion of lesson number 1. Okay, now next part is going to be learning the choreography, which is going to be a separate video. It's going to be lesson 1, choreography. And then we'll start learning our Tango Oriental. Okay, now I'm going to start recording that one for you.